Microsoft keeps adding new applications into the M365 platform. Before you dive into Microsoft Loop, let's look at what it is and will it be useful for you. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. So the first question is, what on earth is Microsoft Loop? Well, the answer is it's a note-taking collaboration tool. Simple as that. You can think of it as a flexible workspace for your notes, tasks, plans, all of those different bits in one place. It's a living document, or it can be a living document, because it lets you collaborate with others and it's a single place for everybody to work together. It connects with the rest of Microsoft 365, but don't think of it as a replacement for Microsoft Teams or Outlook. It's not. It works basically hand in hand with them. Here I am on the Loop homepage. This is loop.cloud.microsoft. I'll add a link below to make life a bit easier for you. And you can see that on the first page, we have a default area called My Workspace. I've created another one to show you a couple of bits. And we've got a navigation pane on the left. A little bit different from what you may be used to with workspaces, but we'll get into that, so don't worry. So your first question is probably who can use it. The answer is pretty much anybody with a Microsoft account. When it comes to a personal account, it's accessible through the browser, but there are some limitations. When you've got a business account, business standard or above, you have full access to not only the web browser, you have access to the components in applications outside of the web browser, for example, Outlook and Microsoft Teams. The good news is that Microsoft has actually made the licensing a lot easier and more people can now sign into it. You might be wondering, what can I actually do with it? So let's go into a workspace that I've already created. Pages can store most of the types of information that you're thinking of. So that can be things like a checklist. You can see I've got a table here. We can also, of course, add in the standard text, headings, paste links, all of that normal things that you're thinking of. You might then be asking yourself, do I actually need it? Well, let's be honest, if you've got a business standard license, then it's already included as part of that license. So why not use it, or at least have a play with it? It's not going to cost you anything extra. It's great to have a single place to have everything together, whether that's your thoughts, your ideas, plans, projects, whatever. And of course, you can easily work with colleagues within it. You might be thinking this is not essential because I already use OneNote, and you're not wrong, but there are some differences and we'll be looking at that in a later video. Keep an eye out for my next video where we're going to start creating your first workspace. What are you using for your notes and planning? Have you already started using Microsoft Loop? Maybe you're a OneNote fan. Maybe you prefer Word, or maybe you're die-hard classic using paper-based items. Comment below to let me and the rest of the community know. If you found this video useful, then remember to click that thumbs up to give the video a like and click subscribe to be told as the next videos are released. I'll see you in the next one.